Hi, good evening, friends. This is Dr. Sanjeet Kumar Das, Professor of Marketing, Sri Balaji University, Pune. Today, the topic of discussion is pull and push strategy. Many times, generally, we use pull and push strategy, but actually, one should know what exactly mean by pull and push strategy and what are the tools used by marketer to adopt this kind of strategy. So as the name, I hope it's self-explanatory, that is pull strategy and push strategy. Pull strategy, when the company can drag the customer towards the outlet, towards the brand, then it is pull strategy. And push strategy, when the marketer, they want to push the product to the customer by hook or crook, that is known as push strategy. So here you'll see there are two broad things. One is advertising, the other one is sales promotion. Again, sales promotion is of three kinds. One is sales promotion for the customer, sales promotion for the trade, and sales promotion for the sales force. So when a company is going to give an advertisement, like, it reminds me the old Hero Honda punchline, feel it, set it and forget it. That means indirectly it says the fuel efficiency of the bike. So that's a rationale for which the customer will be dragged, pulled towards the brand. That is one of the tool for pulling strategy. Now coming to this sales promotion for the customer, that means all the free buys, buy one get one free, any incentive. It's nicely defined by Kotler that when advertising offers a reason to buy, sales promotion offers an incentive to buy. So there also, when some free buys is there, some discount is there, some gifts are available, customer is again pulled towards the brand or towards the outlet. So advertising and sales promotion for the customer are the tool for pull strategy. Now coming to push strategy, that means the marketer, they want to push the product so that it will be sold in the market. Coming to the other two types of sales promotion, that is sales promotion for the trade and sales promotion for the sales force. That means many times we have seen that we as a customer might be asking about a particular brand, but the shopkeeper, the owner of the retail outlet, they are suggesting you something different. Might be there is a scheme, might be the margin is very high in that particular brand. So there they want to push the product to the customer. There are a lot of schemes, lot of incentive is being given to sales force. That means sales representative, sales manager, even up to national manager, sales also. So the moment they will achieve the target, they may get schemes like they can go to Singapore for 4 days 3 night trip with their spouse. So to achieve the target, many times they want to push the product so that it will be sold within a stipulated period and they can avail that scheme. So sales promotion scheme for the trade and sales promotion scheme for the sales force are the tool for push strategy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.